One night, Rina had a bad dream. She couldn't speak. No communication. Everybody seems don't care. Feels so lonely and empty. If only she can find way to connect.
I am so voiceless. Why I can't speak? Mom, speak to me. Mom, speak up. Even my friends are voiceless. Ignore me, not talking. I can't live in this world without language. It feels so lonely.
Rina feels sad. She just sit and wonder why. But she never knew it was just a dream.
Momsy, Momsy.
Good morning, my dear. Some cookies and milk, a bread and cake is served for you. Now take a seat and eat, my dear. How happy I am to see you this morning. A loving mother knows what's best.
Mother, I had a bad dream. You never talk to me. Whatever I do, you ignore me. Seems like I don't exist at all.
Rina, it's just a bad dream. Never mind it, my dear. Language is the best. Playing words I mean so. Loving all those words I say. Speaks your feelings, words with meaning. Language is best. Language is the best. Listen to your mom say. It's a happy world you've been. Skip this drama. Stay with mama. Language is best.
And now I know I can sing it. How beautiful if I could speak it. Speak those words I love to say. Say and say, I love you, Mama.
I love you too, Rina.
Now, Mother, I know how beautiful language is.
Rina, you're almost late. Come on and fix your things. Then, Rina went to school and she saw Sab and Arnie. And she shared her dream.
Sab, Arn, hey, wait up.
Oh, hello, Rina.
Hi, I thought you will ignore me.
And why would we do that?
Cause you know what? I dreamt last night that everybody is not speaking, ignoring each other. Seems like they are robots. Even the two of you are not talking to me.
Duh, it's only a dream. Yeah, we can communicate in many ways. It can't be avoided.
With the use of language, whether it's verbal or non-verbal.
Look at them, John and Erica.
Come on, let's eat. Huh? Ano? Eat. Eat. Kain. Saan? There. Okay.
I'm sorry, Joanne. You don't speak English, but I know you understand it, right?
Oo naman.
Though they speak in different language, they still understand each other by gesturing what they want to say and point out.
And that one too.
Oh, how sweet.
I really can't imagine the world without language.
And that's the beauty of language.
Oh, let's hurry up. We will be late.
After their conversation, They were called for their dance interpretation. And that is how beautiful language is.